Welcome to Day 5. Today we're learning how to use Google Colab's free GPUs, one of the best tools for AI learners. With Colab, you can run Python and AI code right inside your web browser. No installation, no setup, no waiting. By the end of this lesson, you'll have your own cloud-powered coding lab, ready to run AI models anytime, anywhere. This slide answers a simple question. What exactly is Google Colab? Think of it as your online coding notebook that lives in the cloud. Everything runs on Google servers, so your computer doesn't have to do the heavy lifting. First, it's a free online notebook. No downloads, no installations. You just open your browser and start coding. Second, it works just like Jupyter Notebook. You write code, press run, and see results instantly. And third, Colab gives you free access to NVIDIA GPUs, the same type of processors used in professional AI labs. That means you can train machine learning models faster, test deep learning code, and experiment freely, all at zero cost. Getting started is incredibly simple. Here's how you can access Colab in just 4 steps. Step 1, open your browser and go to colab.research.google.com. Any browser works, Chrome, Edge, or even Safari. Step 2, sign in with your Google account. If you already use Gmail, you're all set. Step 3, click on New Notebook to create a new coding page. Step 4, start coding right away. There's no setup or configuration needed. In just 1 minute, you'll be running Python on Google's cloud servers. Smooth and effortless. Now let's unlock the real magic, turning on the free GPU. It takes only 3 clicks. First, go to the top menu, click Runtime, and choose Change Runtime Type. Second, in the option called Hardware Accelerator, select GPU from the drop-down menu. Third, click Save. And that's it. Now your notebook is using Google's free NVIDIA GPU, perfect for AI and machine learning tasks. You're literally working with the same kind of technology used by data scientists and AI researchers around the world. All right, time to test if your GPU is working. Here's a simple code snippet. We start with import torch. This means we're loading the PyTorch library. Next, we write torch.cdua.isAvailable. This line simply asks, is the GPU ready to use? If the output says true, congratulations, your notebook is successfully using the GPU. If it says false, don't worry. Just double-check that you selected GPU in the runtime settings and try again. This small test ensures your AI environment is set up perfectly. Let's quickly go over why Google Colab is so valuable for AI learners like you. First, you get free GPU access. No need to buy expensive hardware. Second, there's no installation. Everything runs right in your browser. Third, it works anywhere, from your laptop, tablet, or even your phone. And finally, it's perfect for AI learning. You can experiment with machine learning, train neural networks, and explore deep learning models with ease. Colab truly removes all the barriers to starting your AI journey. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use Google Colab. Your free AI playground is now ready. You have the power to run Python and AI code from anywhere in the world. In the next lesson, Day 6, we'll write your first Python program, Hello AI. It's a fun and exciting step as you begin to code like an AI engineer. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, every small step brings you closer to mastering artificial intelligence.